too high.
Hi guys, I'm back in the
back
truck.
up.
I'm in the truck right now. It's beautiful.
Oh shit.
The house is language, please. I'm making a YouTube video. Anyway, I'm in the truck right now. This is a nice truck. Everything is nice.
You want me
blah
back
blah
up,
blah 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 blah. You know, I'm sitting in the front because I have to. You know, it's 3 seats. 1, 2, and 3. Anyway, we're backing up at least right now. So we're actually going to hit it.
I was gonna back up on this.
So we're actually in the truck right now. I'm moving.
I was gonna go out there and come in.
Moving, but we gotta make 2 trips. And I'm still gonna be in the truck. Huh?
Yeah. Hell with that. Trying to back up on that big ass curve. Bad enough.
How about this? Language YouTube video I'm making. Anyway, we're about to crash right now, so this is gonna be a horrible thing. So,
oh.
I gave you guys $300.
Oh, no.
I better give you guys $300.
Hey man, I'm gonna come in. I know what I'm doing. I'm going out. Oh shit.
Yeah, and it's gonna be a rough trip. So he's breathing.
What you say, Jason?
So I'll see you guys later. Smack that like button. Make sure we get 20,000 likes. Subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never can miss a video again. See you later, guys. Peace.